Well, hello and welcome to Kenny Bear's Arms, everybody. Today I got a new optic to show off for you guys on the channel here. I'm really stoked about it. I don't know if this is the platform I'm going to keep it on or anything like that, but I just I got one of those Reddit alerts for um, gun deals, and this came across, and I was like, well, an EoTech Vudu for $650 or like something like that, shipped, free shipping too. I was like, really? Like a $1,200 optic for a half price. I uh, I said, screw it. You know what? It'd be kind of a Christmas gift to myself, and I'm kind of glad I did. Obviously this scope is probably pretty popularized with Tarkov. That's kind of the first time I ever experienced one. Was in a video game, and now I got one in real life. It is a freaking sweet optic. I really actually like it. It's got really good glass, really good eye relief. I'm wildly impressed with that, even all the way up to the 6x. So the crazy thing was that this was the green reticle one, and if I can find a good way to get pictures of the reticle and stuff like that for you, I will. Otherwise, I'll just dub some in. But I need to figure out a good way to get. If you have any good suggestions on like how to set up like a way to scope, like record down your scope and stuff. I got my cell phone cameras. That's really kind of a pain in the arse to do it that way with those. They don't seem to want to focus properly and stuff. And um, I'm sure there's probably a good way to do it. I'll find a video or something like that. But if you have any suggestions or links or videos or whatever, link them down below. Comment, please. So I really dig this optic. Obviously it has some really cool design and stuff like that. Really distinct knurling and stuff on here. The 1:6, and it's really cool too with the buttons here for activating and changing the brightness of the reticles. One thing I will say is, like, it's pretty bright out today. I can see it pretty good. I haven't tried it outside like shooting or anything yet. It's currently going to be negative 16 degrees Fahrenheit here in Minnesota, so I would love to do that, but it's super cold, and I don't really want to drive out to a place that I don't have a place to shoot, so that sucks. So eventually, hopefully, I will find a place I can go shoot outside and stuff like that. That'd be the way I'd love to go. But so far, absolutely love this optic. Um, it's really cool design with like how the 1:6 goes and the reticle changes, or I guess zooms in, and it looks like a kind of like a red dot at the 1x, and then all of a sudden you get your mill dots or what you call it at the 6x or even greater, at the top end of the zoom. So it works really good for close CQB kind of stuff, I would think. And I haven't got it out to take it out to a like long range or anything. Wow, it's pretty balanced, and or anything yet. But honestly, I'm blown away by this, and it's got like I think Japanese glass in it too, which as a as a former photographer guy who was a big Canon guy, why doesn't Canon make like scopes and stuff, man? They should get in that market. Maybe they make the glass for this. I don't know, but that'd be really cool if they did. Because hey, man, maybe they want some extra money. I don't know. That would be a good market for them, maybe. But yeah, I really like it. It's a really cool scope. Lifted right out of the Tarkov game for myself, and the price. It was hard to say no to that price. That's pretty wild. So, but yeah, I would buy it. I'd buy another one and maybe I will if they're still on sale because it's really cool. I know they make them in different like 1:8s and 1:10s, I think too, or something like that. But I decided the 1:6, and so far I'm pretty happy with it on the AUG. I think it looks good on there. I'm not sure if how I'm gonna keep it, if I'm gonna keep running on this or a different platform. But yeah, EoTech Vudu, my first EoTech product too, so pretty freaking sweet. I really dig it. I get it. I get it. It really blows my Swamp Fox 1:6 out of the water from as far as clarity, and wow, I'm impressed. I get it.
Sick. All right, I'm happy with this. Oops.